Good morning, everybody. Just wanted to give you a little quick tour of the yard, starting with the Caimito tree right there. The cold weather took down the leaves, but it's coming back. They're pretty strong trees. And here we have the avocado, there's the Simmons, and you can see that it's full of flowers. This one's a great tree. My favorite avocado is the Simmons. And this particular tree every year fruits really well. And then here we got longevity spinach. I have a couple of plants here that I want to plant. Another Caimito. This is a chirimoya tree I have in pots. There's a little guayaba tree. There's a little papaya tree that's not doing too well, but I need to put it in place to get some more sun. These are another couple of sugar apple seedlings that I have here in pots. So I'm hoping to transplant these soon. Here's my banana trees. They're doing pretty well. And here we have the blueberry, and it's flowering too. Here we have some guanabana, the red jaboticaba right there, or jaboticaba, however you say it. This is my katuk right here. And this is my Key West Lychee Tree right here. Some Cuban oregano right there. And then also here we have my white mango, which fruits very well every year. You can tell right there. You have a little bit of the fruit on it. And it's flowering again. And then the yellow mango, same thing. Here we have my little grape, muscadine grape right there. Trellising up. Here we have some sweet potato right here. Planted some lettuce right there in these pots. Here you have my pace May tree. And here we have a Kent mango. It's also flowering. And one of my favorites too is Glen. And this one already has mangoes and it flowered again. So hopefully we get a lot this year. And here we have my Spanish lime and some banana trees here. Compost bin right here. Here we have some savila. And look at the beautiful orchid right there. Here we have some Georgia collards. And we have some onions right here, doing really well. Now, these are potatoes, and they all sprouted. And here we have the tomatoes. You can see we have some tomatoes in there. These little ones are Everglade tomatoes. Some more savila right there, and then this one's also flowering, which is the Choket Avocado, and this is another Key West Lychee tree right here. They're changing their leaves right now, so that's why they look yellowish. Here we have a nispero tree, oregano. We have another guanabana, and this is a lula avocado, which is flowering as well, and another Simmons. And here we have the Catalina, which is also flowering. They're all flowering, man. You can see right there. And then here's a orange tree that I have in a pot. These are the fig trees right here, these two. And I got more vegetables planted down here. You can see they have figs. I've already eaten a few from them. And we got more vegetables here. Beets and radishes. Here's my moringa tree right here in the front. And Barbados cherry in the pot. And we have another mulberry that I have in a pot. And we'll go around here. Right here you have a Myers lemon. And you can see it's flowering everywhere. There's a little savila tree. This is some Cranberry Hibiscus, pretty much gone to seed at this point. I have the Lychee Tree right here, and it is flowering. They need like a cold spell to flower, so we had some this year, so I think we might get some. We got some more orchids, which my mom loves. And here we have the jackfruit, growing pretty well. This is the Cattleya waba right here. Growing a lot actually, it's very tiny. And here we have some pineapples. Here are two ciruela trees, or plums. They're like the Cuban plum that looks like small yellow, but they're very tasty. And here we have the Kerry mango with a graft from an orange sherbet that I did here that's taking off. And it's got a couple flowers. Hopefully it'll flower all throughout. And another little moringa tree right there. Anyway, just wanted to give you a little quick tour of how everything's doing here in the end of February. Hope you enjoy. God bless.